Hi, I'm Christina, and I just wanted to thank Wendy, Willow in the Wood, for an amazing workshop that I just finished recently. And it was about 8 weeks, and each week we got together on the internet and read, had different kind of sessions and homework and questions, and I just felt so inspired by all of the good information, stuff that I might have known but forgot, and new things that challenged me and inspired me and made me feel like I could be the confident woman that I know I want to be, and just learning to get rid of some of the blocks that were there and open up new pathways of finding new ways to create the life that I want for me and my family, and goals that I might have, and not having any blocks to get in the way, and things that you don't even think are a block. And Wendy just brought that into light and had such an inspiration voice and had good content, and I just felt very nurtured and inspired, and I would recommend this to anyone who is looking to make some changes or even just wanting to find themselves again and find some good outcome for their future and for their life. Blessings, Wendy. Thank you.